Negotiation isn't just for boardrooms or high-stakes deals. It's not reserved for executives or expert dealmakers. In reality, negotiation is woven into the fabric of our daily lives, often in ways we don't even notice. It's simply a conversation with a goal, finding agreement, reaching a solution that works for everyone involved. You negotiate every day, choosing dinner with friends, deciding where to go or what to order. Asking your child to clean up their room or persuading them to do their homework is a negotiation too, or splitting chores with a partner, figuring out who does what and when. Life is a series of negotiations, both big and small, shaping our relationships and outcomes. The truth, negotiation is for everyone, not just business leaders or salespeople. It's a universal skill. Understanding this unlocks a power you already have, waiting to be used in every interaction. Think about the times you could have gotten a better deal, on a car, a job, or even a simple purchase. Maybe you hesitated to ask for a discount on a coffee maker, or didn't negotiate for a better price. Each missed opportunity is money or happiness left on the table. Chances to improve your life that slipped by. Negotiation is a skill you can learn and master, no matter your background or experience. It's the language of getting what you want while making others feel good about saying yes, building trust along the way. It's about connection, not confrontation. Negotiation is about understanding, empathy, and finding common ground. This guide will show you why negotiation matters for your financial success, and how it can impact every area of your life. We'll look at real-life examples, and give you practical tools you can use today, no matter your situation. These aren't complicated theories, they're proven techniques that work, and anyone can apply them. By the end, you'll see negotiation as a skill to build your confidence, improve relationships, and open new doors. You'll discover how it can put more money in your pocket and bring more satisfaction to your daily life. Don't fear negotiation, embrace it. It's your path to better deals and a better life, both personally and professionally. Every conversation is a chance to negotiate, to shape your outcomes and create value. The more you practice, the better you get, just like any other important skill. Start seeing negotiation as an everyday superpower, something you can use to transform your life. You already have it. Now let's learn to use it together. Let's get started. Money matters, whether you're saving for a big goal, paying off debt, or just trying to make ends meet. And negotiation is your tool to keep more of it, no matter your income or background. Every dollar you save or earn through negotiation adds up over time, quietly building your wealth in the background. Even small savings like a few dollars off a weekly purchase can become hundreds by year's end. Money you can invest, save, or spend on what matters most. Bigger negotiations, like buying a car, negotiating rent, or landing a higher salary, can completely change your financial future. Your salary negotiation is the most profitable conversation you'll ever have because it sets the foundation for every raise and bonus that follows. A small raise now means bigger raises later, compounding over your career and multiplying your lifetime earnings. People who don't negotiate leave money on the table, sometimes without even realizing it. By learning a few simple techniques, you take control of your financial life and open doors to new opportunities. Negotiation isn't about being greedy, it's about being smart, prepared, and knowing your worth in every situation. The price tag is just a starting point, not the final word. Almost everything is negotiable if you ask. Every negotiation is a chance to improve your situation, no matter how big or small. Don't accept less than you deserve. Stand up for your value and your goals. Use negotiation to unlock a more secure, prosperous future for yourself and those you care about. The opportunities are everywhere, if you're willing to ask and advocate for yourself. Start seeing negotiation as your financial superpower, ready to be used in everyday life. It's time to use it, because your future is worth negotiating for. Negotiation isn't just for big purchases. You can use it every day, especially when shopping. Whether you're at a local market, a boutique, or even a chain store, there are often opportunities to negotiate that most people overlook. Many people assume the price on the tag is final, but often it's not. Prices can be more flexible than you think, especially if you know how to ask. Be polite and friendly. You're exploring, not demanding. A positive attitude can open doors and make the conversation enjoyable for both sides. At an electronics store, ask, "Is this the best price you can offer?" Sometimes, just showing interest and asking the right question can lead to unexpected savings. Sometimes, you'll get a discount or a special deal. Salespeople often have some flexibility, especially if you're buying more than one item or if you're a repeat customer. Try bundling. If I buy the TV and soundbar together, can you give me a better price? Bundling items can make it easier for the seller to justify a discount. At markets, negotiation is expected. Show interest, build rapport, and make a reasonable offer. Vendors appreciate customers who engage and are respectful. Start a bit lower than you're willing to pay, so you can meet in the middle. This gives both you and the seller room to negotiate and feel satisfied with the outcome. The goal isn't just to save money, it's to practice your skills in low-stakes situations. Each conversation helps you get more comfortable and confident. If you don't get a discount, you've still gained experience. Every attempt is a step toward becoming a better negotiator. Every small negotiation builds your confidence for bigger ones. Over time, you'll notice your skills improving and your hesitation fading. Look for opportunities to negotiate, even on small items. You might be surprised at how often clerks are willing to work with you, especially on items that aren't selling quickly. Ask simple questions and see what happens. Sometimes all it takes is a friendly inquiry to unlock a better deal. You'll be surprised how often it works. Practice makes perfect, and each success will motivate you to try again. The more you negotiate, the better you get. It becomes second nature, and you'll start to spot opportunities everywhere. Start small and watch your skills and savings grow. Even a few dollars saved here and there can add up over time. Everyday shopping is your training ground. Use it to build your confidence, sharpen your negotiation skills, and enjoy the process of getting a little more value out of every purchase. Negotiating your salary can feel intimidating, but most companies expect it. Not negotiating signals you might not know your value. Do your research. Know what your skills are worth in the market. Use sites like Glassdoor and talk to people in your industry. When you get an offer, don't accept immediately. Ask for time to review. Express excitement for the role and highlight your value. Use an accusation audit to ease tension. You might think I'm being forward, but present your case with data. Based on my research and experience, I was expecting a range of $80,000 to $85,000. Using a range invites conversation, not confrontation. Stay calm, polite, and professional. This one conversation can change your financial life. Remember, negotiation is expected, not rude. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Don't leave money on the table. Ask for what you're worth. In business, negotiation is about creating value, not crushing the other side. The best deals build long-term relationships. Don't just focus on price. Look for other ways to add value, like better payment terms or faster shipping. When a client asks for a discount, offer it in exchange for a longer contract or phased delivery. This is called trading, not haggling. Always ask for something in return. Understand the other side's needs and pressures. Frame your proposals to solve their problems. The best negotiators are creative and empathetic. It's not about tricks, it's about genuine problem solving. Protect your profits and build trust. Every business interaction is a chance to negotiate. Focus on win-win outcomes. Relationships and value matter most. You don't need a degree to be a great negotiator, just a few simple tools. Mirroring, repeat the last few words the other person says. It encourages them to share more. Labeling, name the other person's emotion. It seems like you're under pressure. This builds trust. Calibrated questions. Ask open-ended questions starting with what or how. For example, how can we make this work? Use silence after making an offer or asking a question. Let the other person fill the gap. These tools make people feel heard and open up the conversation. Mirroring and labeling build rapport. Calibrated questions uncover information. Silence gives you power and time to think. Practice these tools in everyday conversations. They work in any context, shopping, business, or personal life. The more you use them, the more natural they become. Simple tools, big results. Master these, and you'll see your negotiation outcomes improve. Start practicing today. No is your most powerful word in negotiation. Many people fear saying it, but a respectful no sets clear boundaries. Without no, you're not negotiating. You're just accepting. You don't have to be confrontational. Ask, How am I supposed to do that with my current workload? This turns a no into a collaborative discussion. Protect yourself from bad deals. Sometimes, walking away is the best outcome. Knowing you can walk away gives you confidence. Not every deal is worth taking. The goal isn't just to get a yes, it's to get the right yes. Saying no filters out bad deals and earns respect. People who set boundaries are seen as confident and strong. Practice saying no politely but firmly. It protects your interest and your time. Boundaries are essential for good deals. Don't be afraid to use them. Confidence is built through practice and preparation. Every negotiation, big or small, is a chance to strengthen your skills. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Each small win builds your confidence. Preparation is key. Research, gather facts, and know your position. When you're prepared, you're less nervous and more persuasive. See negotiation as a game, less personal, more strategic. If something doesn't work, try a different approach. Reflect after each negotiation. What worked? What can you improve? Over time, you'll spot patterns and gain experience. Familiarity breeds confidence. Soon you'll see negotiation as an opportunity, not a threat. Walk into conversations knowing you have the skills to succeed. Confidence is your secret weapon. Build it and every deal gets easier. Negotiation is a skill anyone can learn. It's the key to better deals, more money, and greater success. The principles are the same everywhere. Understand others, build connection, solve problems. Start small. Ask for a special at a cafe or make a polite offer at a market. Use low-stakes situations to practice. Try mirroring, labeling, and calibrated questions in daily life. Each attempt builds your skill and confidence. These tools will change how you communicate and help you get better outcomes. Confidence from negotiation will spill into every part of your life. Don't leave your success to chance. Take control. You have the power to change your circumstances, one conversation at a time. The tools are in your hands. Take action. Start today. See negotiation as an opportunity, not a conflict. Begin your journey and unlock the confident, successful life waiting for you.